Hi everyone, my name is Foo Choon Fai and now I'm going to present for the engineering practice BEJ30701 Let 1, and we are from session 1 group 3, and these are our team members Fatin, Sun, and me, Foo Choon Fai. Next I'm going to show you how to find the component at the software.
Now I'm going to show you how to find the component in the Proteus software. As the left switch given, we are required the component for the resistor, 4 resistor, capacitor, resistor 2N3904, battery, and the LED, and the ground component. So let's start how to find the component in the Proteus software. First we have to create the component mode and click on the P, and we search the keyword we want for the resistor, and it will automatically jump up, and this is the resistor component, and we click OK, and the resistor will come to this, and for next the capacitor, and this is capacitor component, and we need is active mode, and for the LED I have to choose for the LED blue, and for the LED green, and for the transistor we need is 2N3904, and this one, and lastly you use the battery cell, the single cells, and the component we need for the circuit design is listed here. And if you want to drop this component into this schematic, click on capacitor and click on here, it will automatically come out here. And if you want to edit the value for the capacitor, we can create out here, and we can edit the component values that we want for the circuit design. Also same for the capacitor. Also same for the resistor. You can edit the value at here. And this is the transistor and the battery cell. For battery cell, we also can edit the voltage that we want at here. Edit the voltage that we need for the circuit design. And this is the LED blue light. And this is the LED green light. Next, I will pass to my friend to show you how to connect all these components in circuits that's showing in the lab sheets. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fatin Binti Asrol. I will demonstrate how to connect wire from a component to the other component. Okay. First of all, I will complete for this part first. Okay. We connect LED, BI, RG into the cell. Okay. And then we connect resistor to the LED. And then the other part of cell, I will connect to the transistor, and also I will connect to the transistor, to the ground. Okay, to the ground. So it goes here. Okay, and we look back. Okay, it's with the loop shape. And then I will connect resistor to the first transistor. Okay. And the other part of LED, BI, RG, I will connect to the capacitor. Okay. And then this one we connect to the other transistor, capacitor 1, connect to the transistor 2. And while the second resistor, we connect to the first capacitor. Okay, same with this the left shade. While the third resistor, we connect to the first transistor. Okay. And then for the second capacitor, we connect to the LED BEJ30701. I will adjust first to look more. Okay. And then we connect wire resistor 4 to the transistor, second transistor. This one we connect to the second resistor. And then the capacitor we connect wire. That's how the circuit is connected the other component into the other component. Okay, I will pass to the third presenter for the simulation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Endthyana Janis and my matrix number is CE180032. So actually for this lab, for this task, actually I need to do it by using the Proteus software, but since my laptop and my Proteus is having problem, I already asked the permissions from Dr. Janis to use another software, which in this lab I use Multisim. So actually Multisim is not very different from Proteus, but what I can say is the component and the setting and the things in the Multisim is actually very limited compared to the Proteus. So right now, as you can see that I use Multisim to the simulations. So as you can see that I already done these simulations, already done this circuit. So as you can see that if we want to find the parts, the components in this Multisim, we can just click on the place component, or we can use the Control W. So as you can see that if you want to find anything that basics, basic components such as resistor, capacitor, can click and put the value. So in case we want to change the value of the component, we just can double click and change the component, change the value of the capacitance, for example. So as you can see that in this multivibrator, both is use the NPN or PNP to produce the square wave. A pair of the transistor, a pair of the grounded emitter is connected cross couple, as you can see that. So in this lab we use the 2N3904 transistor. So as you can see that I forgot to change the voltage. So in this lab also I use two different color of LED, which is I use for LED 1 I use blue color, and for the LED 2 I use green color. So as you can see that we can find the component by put the name in the component LED. So I choose LED blue and LED green, and can connect the negative pole of the voltage to the ground. And the capacitor need to connect to the LED. I need to change a bit, I think. And then we round it, and as you can see that the LED 1 and LED 2 is like up, but the setting for the in this Multisim is quite different, so the blinking cannot be seen. So to indicate there is connection between all the components, I use the voltage probe.
Hi doctor, my name is Foo Choon Fai, and now I'm going to do the simulation part for the oscilloscope. And this is the circuit design we have designed in the Proteus software. And in this circuit design, the upper waveform is connected to the oscilloscope. And this circuit design have two outputs here. in here. And let's start our simulations. And this is the output simulations result we get from this circuit design, and this is the square waveforms, and the output of the both is same. And that's all for me, and that's all for our presentations. Thank you, doctor.